Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. We have been using Shopify for a while and suddenly your store shows a too many redirects error. It usually means your link was stuck in a loop. So in today's small tutorial, I'm gonna show you on basically how to fix this type of issues fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first just open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. We're gonna go all the way through the shopify.com. After this, if it still doesn't work, make sure you clear the browser cache and cookies. Redirect loops are often cached. So we're gonna go through this stock here. My bad, we're gonna go through this stock here. You see there's some cookies here, then delete them. You can also check the link redirect settings by going and looking basically on your settings. Okay, let's go. This gear icon. My bad. We have a couple of options here, including the domains, store, and everything else. Okay, let's go for example, look for online. Store credit, login links, customer account links. So we have a lot of options. Use this link anywhere you do like customers to access the customer accounts. You can also edit this page. Then basically just change whatever you want. It all depends on you. Check also the domain settings as I told you before. Okay, let's go back and look for the domain settings. Make sure it's connected. Disable any redirect apps that force in this redirect by going through this apps here and disable, or just tap on this three dot menu and tap and install on any app that would force this conflict. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.